You are such a fool. You are such a fool. I am feeling much better. I am feeling much better. I am feeling so tired. I am feeling so tired. I am feeling very hungry. I am feeling very hungry. I am feeling so stressed. I am feeling so stressed. I am feeling so cold. I am feeling so cold. I am feeling so hot. I am feeling so hot. I am feeling so lucky. I am feeling so lucky. Let's eat some pizza. Let's eat some pizza. Let's go for pizza. Let's go for pizza. Let's go for ice cream. Let's go for ice cream. Let's make a plan. Let's make a plan. Let's watch a movie. Let's watch a movie. Let's go shopping today. Let's go shopping today. Let's go for coffee. Let's go for coffee. Let's go for tea. Let's go for tea. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Let's order some food. Let's order some food. Let's go for a run. Let's go for a run. Let's go for dessert. Let's go for dessert. I need a break. I need a break. I need some advice. I need some advice. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. ঠিক আছে? It's a secret, okay? It's a secret, okay? It's time to relax. It's time to relax. It's a long story. It's a long story. It's time to study. It's time to study. It's a busy day. It's a busy day. It's a great idea. It's a great idea. It's a beautiful sunset. It's a beautiful sunset. It's raining right now. It's raining right now. Can you help me? Can you help me? Can I borrow this? Can I borrow this? Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Can you help us? Can you help us? Can we talk later? Can we talk later? Have a safe trip. Have a safe trip. I will be right back. I will be right back. What's on your mind? What's on your mind? Where's the nearest restroom? Where's the nearest restroom? Have a nice day. Have a nice day. See you later. See you later. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? He is a good friend. He is a good friend. Do you have change? Do you have change? I will pay you back. I will pay you back. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. I am out of milk. I am out of milk. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Time to go home. Time to go home. He is a good student. He is a good student. Call me after work. Call me after work. What's for dinner tonight? What's for dinner tonight? You are very kind-hearted. You are very kind-hearted. He is a great cook. He is a great cook. That's not my bag. That's not my bag. That's not my problem. That's not my problem. Where are we going? Where are we going? Dinner is almost ready. Dinner is almost ready. Time for a nap. Time for a nap. You are so stupid. You are so stupid. How is your day going? How is your day going? What's your job title? What's your job title? I miss you already. I miss you already. You look great today. You look great today. Where's my glasses? Where's my glasses? I will call you later. I will call you later. Have a good night. Have a good night. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will be there soon. I will be there soon. That's a fantastic idea. That's a fantastic idea. You are a true friend. You are a true friend. Please be on time. Please be on time. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? That's my favorite song. That's my favorite song. Don't forget to smile. Don't forget to smile. Don't make me laugh. Don't make me laugh. Don't forget your umbrella. Don't forget your umbrella. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Please pass the salt. Please pass the salt. Where's the restroom, please? Where's the restroom, please? Please be quiet, everyone. Please be quiet, everyone. Please sit down here. Please sit down here. Please don't touch that. Please don't touch that. Please close the door. Please close the door. Please turn off the lights. Please turn off the lights. Please take a seat. Please take a seat. Practice these and you will learn to speak English faster. I say one thing again and again. To speak English, you have to practice regularly. Only then you can speak English. It is not possible to speak English without practice. So if you want to speak English, practice it from today. Like or comment if you like the video. Stay well and keep learning English with me.